Hello, my name is Nathan Leahy, the Field Service and Sales Engineer for Weldability SIF, responsible for the building, testing and repair of our welding units, welding fume extraction units, and our air monitoring device, the ProtectoScan EDI. What I'm going to go through with you today is a wide range of our high volume mobile fume extraction units. The range starts with entry-level small mobile units, all the way up to large, specialised units capable of extracting a multitude of work processes. First up, we've got our ProtectoXtract, which is a highly cost-effective unit with W3 rated disposable filters. It can extract standard MIG, TIG and MMA fume, as well as some oxyacetylene and plasma fume, and steel dust extraction. It has a small footprint and is ideal for light welding users seeking LEV conformity at a low price point. Next up, we've got the ProtectoXtract Twin, which is very similar to the ProtectoXtract. That same cost effectiveness and W3 rated filters. It can extract MIG, TIG and MMA fume, but can serve two users with a single footprint. Next up, we've got the ProtectoExtra, which is a highly cost effective unit with the W3 compliant cleanable filter, and this can extract a wide variety of work processes including grinding dust extraction, and is suitable for heavy usage users needing that wide variety of process extraction in one unit. Next up, we've got the ProtectoAir, which again is very similar to the Extra, but this unit is a very high power unit. This has a W3 rated cleanable filter, can extract all of those work processes detailed below, and is ideal for a particularly heavy usage user needing extraction of a wide variety of work processes. Next up, we've got the ProtectoSmart, which is a very specialised unit. It's extremely high power, has W3 rated disposable pre-filters, but comes with a carbon kit for scrubbing air of odours, gases and solvents for users needing those special kind of processes extracting safely. Next up, we've got the ProtectoReClenz Twin, which is an extremely powerful unit capable of extracting up to 3,500 cubic meters an hour of air. It has W3 rated cleanable filters, can extract all of the welding processes below, and can extract from 2 points with a single footprint. Again, this is ideal for your very heavy usage, wide variety of process users, but can extract from 2 points at once. Next up, we've got our ProtectoReClenz Twin, which again, very high power unit, has W3 rated cleanable filters, which are automatically clean this time, can extract from a wide variety of processes, and can extract from 2 points with a single footprint. If you'd like to look at any of our other systems, you can see our video links below for our high vacuum mobiles, high volume fixed extraction, and our downdraft benches, as well as our video on how to choose the right piece of fume extraction for you.